All right, we're gonna do something fun today for a change. We're gonna go, I'm gonna take Haley out to lunch, a nice lunch at Broad Street Oyster Company in Malibu, I think is where it's at. And we're gonna go see some snakes at Mike's house. And, you know, stupid stuff, go to the bank. I'm gonna go to REI and go shopping and get some stuff for my trip on the Mojave Road. A little oven or a little stove for boiling water and stuff like that. All right, cool, here we go. All right, guys, we're at Mike's house. Mike breeds ball pythons. It's a weird thing.
Yeah.
Hi, Mike.
Hi, how are you? What's going on? Anything good?
Ready to be on YouTube?
Yeah, sure. Hi, how are you?
Yeah.
So yeah, we'll go into his little spot and take a look around. All right.
All right.
Here's his little space.
So there's some eggs in here.
Yeah.
Right now I could open this up.
Is it heated or cool?
Yeah, it's heated. So it's 88.
So you got hot waters down here?
Well, see, there's heat tape on the back. And then what the water does is when I open this, it kind of just keeps it at 88.
Oh, so the water's like kind of like, look at that, that's crazy.
That's just one clutch. I had to put them in 2 bins because it was 90.
Oh, and there's special words like clutch.
Yes,
and het.
clutch. So what do you want to see? You want to see some cool stuff?
Yeah, hell yeah.
So this is a double recessive. This is a clown and a pied ball python.
He looks soft.
They're not slimy or anything at all. They're very docile. So this is the pied gene and the clown gene, which is both recessive genes.
So what's the pie? What portion of this is the pie?
See this? See how the pattern breaks up
Uh-huh.
into this look? This is a regular pied. I'll show you this one here. That's just a pied.
And is it because of the darker brown color?
No, because look, this one is a pied too. And look at it, it's got, it's still dark. I think I have a brighter one.
That one's huge.
Yeah,
dude.
she's about to lay.
Wait,
She's gonna lay the clutch.
The clutch is that's the pack of eggs.
Yes.
That's the clutch.
Yes. So like this one, this girl is about gonna lay. She's huge.
Holy cow.
Yeah, she's huge.
Wow.
But this one it doesn't have any of that white in it.
No, so she's just a clown. So the pied, how it
We
breaks
know a
up.
lot of clowns around here.
How do you how can you tell she's gonna lay?
I have a.
Oh, okay. Like
Yeah.
you can't just look at her and be like.
No, I mean people can, like, they palpate, which
Yeah.
is they let the snake go in and they try to feel for follicles.
Is this a spider or is this a snake?
No, that's the gene. There's a gene. It's a codon gene.
Codon
Spider,
gene?
Yeah. She's about to shed. She's right here. I'll pull her out.
Whoa.
She's gonna lay too. Might not want to be messed with. But...
Is this your fancy? Is this like your most expensive one right here? Is that why you're holding this one out?
No, that's one of them. I'll show you the really expensive one.
Wow.
These I think are going for like $4 or $5 grand right now.
Oh, she's
Or this
pretty.
one. Yeah, I
Cool
produced
color.
her. She's gonna shed, so she's got that ghost look, but she is a hypo, which is ghost. That's another gene, which is a recessive gene.
Wow.
So she's gonna lay soon. That's why I put grab it. So I have an ultrasound. That's how I'm able to tell. So let me show you the.
This whole thing right now is full of snakes.
Yeah.
Or just the ones with the tabs.
Yeah. So these are gonna go here. That's why these are all empty.
So
And
these
then
are the baby babies.
These
right?
were last year's babies, and some that I've purchased. Like I purchased a few. Like I purchased these guys. So they're just babies.
Oh, look at how cool that one is.
Yeah. So this is super. Can you see it? Like it's got some poop in there.
Wow. So you bought these to breed with some of the other ones to
Yes. Yeah, to make about this one. So this is a powerhouse male. He's pretty cool.
What do you mean he's pretty cool? So you
I
have
know
some that are
you're-
cool and some that are not cool?
No, I mean just powerhouse, like with all the genetics in him.
Oh.
I know what you're gonna say about his head. So
Which one? Oh. Does he,
It's
does he
a
have
penis.
I didn't say it. You didn't say it.
You can't be laughing in the background and I can't pan to you. It doesn't work that way. That's right.
Anyways, but yeah, so he's gonna go to like a bunch of my clown girls that have different codon genes, and I'm gonna try to put those codon genes into one snake.
That's cool.
This one's a little bigger. These are the Freedom Breeder rack systems. So there's heat tape in the back, by the way, on each level.
Oh,
so
I see it there. Yeah, yeah. That's why they're favoring the back side of the
yes.
things.
So they have a hot spot at 89. I keep it at, and then I keep the room at 80 to 82.
That's probably what all that business is.
Yes.
There, right?
Yeah.
And you have it. Is this a heater?
That does heat and air.
Oh, so in the summertime you can cool it off.
I have to, dude. I'll get like an oven in here. Yeah. So you want to see this guy?
Did you build this rack system yourself?
It's a company. He bought them.
Yeah.
Ooh.
So this has one codon gene in it, which is pastel. Okay. And then it has the Desert Ghost gene, and then the clown. These are really hot right now. This is the expensive snake.
What do you value this at right now?
For a female, they're going for like 15 to 16 grand on Morph Market.
Oh my god.
For a baby.
15 to 16 grand?
Yeah, easily. You can't even find them.
And you have one?
I have one, yeah.
And they just chill out in these things all day?
Yeah, you know, some people will keep them in this tub to like 1,500 grams. Which is fine, because when they get in the bigger tubs, sometimes they stop eating and stuff. But I'll do like 1,000 grams, you know, then I'll bump them up. But it all depends on the space too. Like if I'm slanted
Look
here.
at his nose and the like holes around his mouth and stuff.
Yeah.
Is pretty cool. Look at that stuff.
So
what's your normal routine here? Like it's just like really like you have to maintain this stuff constantly.
Yeah.
Like you have to come in here and.
Yeah. So after work, I'll be in here for 4 or 5 hours every night. Right now, it's like a little bit more. I'm more involved because I have like this female right here. You guys might think this is pretty cool looking, but she's gonna lay.
Dude.
Yeah. So she's gonna lay. Last year she did all slugs, which means nothing in the clutch was fertile. So I was like, it was one of my most anticipated.
How do you know they're not fertile?
Dude, they're like this big, maybe like that big, and they're just yellow. They're not even.
The snake is.
The eggs.
The egg.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
Oh, I see. They weren't for the eggs weren't fertilized.
The eggs weren't fertile.
So you didn't get like a batch of snakes that were like you couldn't impregnate again.
Exactly. So the whole year of her go. Oh, she's gonna go and breed, and she bred. Oh, she's gravid, which means she's pregnant. She laid all for that whole year, all slugs. So I had to wait a whole another year, get her, you know, fed up again, get her big, and then I paired her with this boy right here. He made this is the Desert Ghost. This is the het clown. So you saw how that one was clown. This is the heterozygous gene inside this snake, which is the clown gene inside him. So he carries the clown gene. That's a visual clown, by the way, just with like 3 or 4 codons in it.
If you're not lost, you're a snake person because clown, het, all this
stuff.
So you put them together
so
in
they
one
they
of
were
these bins,
yeah,
and then they
in that one right there. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So she's nesting. See how she pushed all the stuff away, and she's gonna lay any day. I keep checking on her like daily.
So you come home, you go through, like you clean them all, right? How long does this stuff last in here?
The cocoa, I replace it every time they shed, all of it.
You have to, because it just gets so infiltrated with their skin and all that.
Their skin, yeah, it's everywhere.
And how often do they shed?
They shed like once a month usually. If they're going fast like the babies, maybe twice. But spot clean. So if there's like a little poop here and there, I'll just come in here with my trash can and I go through each tub and I just spot clean.
And that's their poop is you can just pick it up, right? I think I saw some in one of these over here.
Yeah, it's tiny.
What's the difference between the pink and the black stickers?
Oh, originally I had them as girls, so a 0.1 is a female.
Oh, okay.
And a 1.0 is a male.
Sorry.
That's alright. It's just a plug. Yeah. So.
Okay.
What does the banana clown look like?
1.0 is a.
That's a boy.
1.0 is a boy.
I could see it, like, why you're into this, because they're kind of cool looking.
They are, right?
Yeah.
It's huge. This industry has blown up.
And it's not that much. I mean, you got a lot of stuff here to deal with, but it's not that much maintenance.
It's manageable.
Yeah.
I just do it
for some side money.
Yeah. Some people have a smaller and hire people to clean their snakes. I'm like, I'm hands-on.
And you set this thing up. You built all that. Well, I know you bought these things.
Yeah.
I remember you bought these, but you still have to sit here and put it together. And
oh yeah, he's cool.
Ooh, I like that coloring.
Yeah, right.
Black pastel clown.
Yeah, he's a black, and then he's het for hypo, which is the recessive gene for ghosts. So I bred him to look at it. This looks like just like a normal. This is a good. So that's what like a normal clown would look like, but she's only 66%. So her pairing that made her was 200% hets, and then when you bring a het to a het, all the babies will be 66% het. So we're trying to prove her out, and once she lays and I hit visuals, we could change her to 100% het. That's how that works. So that's kind of what a normal clown would look like right there, just basic, but she's carrying 2 genes that are hidden in her.
These
This
are all the
one's
big
cool.
ones here.
Yeah, this one's pretty big.
Oh, wow.
She's gonna lay. Yeah, all these.
You can't make up these names. This is some like Star Wars nerdy ass shit right here. Leopard
Right.
spot nose 100% het clown.
Right? He's right there.
Dude, their noses are so crazy looking.
I know.
They have all these like holes in them.
Yeah, a lot of people go on the head stamps, like certain.
What's happening? Are you tie her up or something?
No, it got in here. She'll come back. Oh, I'm just exploring. What do you think?
It's dope. I love it.
Not bad, huh? I wish there was like, I wish you came and like a snake was literally laying and you got it.
Well,
I'm waiting for it.
yeah, call. Let me know, and I'll come out and shoot it. Yeah.
Any day. This
So-
one's one last cool one for you guys,
Oh, that's a rad
Ooh.
color.
right?
Great.
So this is Ghi Ghost Hypo. So it's got a codominant gene, which is the Ghi, and the Hypo Ghost, they're the same gene, is a recessive gene. So everything this animal produces will be 100% het ghost.
Huh.
Does that kind of make sense?
Nope.
And how come they're not like the snakes like that we have? They're not
Like out in the
yeah, they don't.
outside.
Yeah,
like-
they're not aggressive or anything. Is it just because
These are
that's
just
how-
the
Yeah.
captive bred docile. I mean, I have some feisty ones. You want to see a couple?
No,
Some babies that are right here.
Angry?
This one. This
You
one
still
I-
have one on you.
yeah.
Yeah, this one's a little feisty. It'll bite. Yeah,
Bite
yeah.
noise
Put
you
that
can.
up there.
Ooh.
I'm shadowing it.
They feel your heat, and they usually are gonna get nailed.
But do they have? They don't have like fangs like a.
No, actually, it's starting to be nice now.
Oh, cool. Yeah, perfect.
Did I get the camera?
Oh yeah, right at the lens too.
Told you.
That's all.
That one. Oh, you want to put them back, or you want to take them home?
Oh my God. I want to take them home.
These are only about $7,000.
Oh, it's fine. It's,
Sorry, Bill Lee.
yeah, Billy.
The last thing I want to deal with snakes at my house.
Right? You probably see a lot of rattlesnakes over there now.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
All right, that was
We
a
have
little tour of the.
Yeah.
What do you call
Snake
this?
Man. I'm American Ball Pythons, so you guys can follow me on Instagram or anything like that.
And I'll tag him on the video so that you guys
Yeah.
can follow him.
But
All right.
yeah.
Cool. Right on.
Cool, man.
Thanks,
Thanks,
dude.
bro.
It's good seeing you.
Seeing you.
We're gonna push on. Go get some food.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't blame you.